Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I am a bit tired.
Do you need some coffee?
Yes, please. I need a large coffee.
Do you want it hot or iced?
I prefer it hot today.
Would you like sugar or milk?
Just a little milk, please.
No problem. Anything else to eat?
Do you have fresh croissants?
Yes, we have chocolate and butter.
I will take one chocolate croissant.
Do you want me to warm it up?
Yes, please. That sounds good.
That will be $8.
Here is my cash.
Thank you. Here is your change.
What is the Wi-Fi password here?
The password is coffeetime2026.
Is the Wi-Fi fast? I need to work.
Yes, it is very fast for customers.
Perfect. Where are the napkins?
They are on the small table over there.
I see them. Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
No, I come here every Tuesday.
Oh, I am new at this shop.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Lisa.
Thank you. People here are very nice.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live 2 blocks away.
That is very convenient for work.
It is. Here is your hot coffee.
Thank you. It smells delicious.
And here is your warm croissant.
Careful, it is very hot.
Yes, be careful. Enjoy your snack.
Do you have a restroom here?
Yes, it is in the back on the left.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
I will sit by the window.
That is a nice spot to see the street.
Yes, I like to watch the city.
Have a productive work session.
Thank you. Have a great shift.
Goodbye, Mark.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Are you here to wash clothes?
Hi. Yes, I have a lot of laundry.
Do you have a free machine?
No, all the machines look busy.
Look, there is one in the corner.
Oh, thank you very much.
Do you have your own detergent?
No, I forgot to bring my soap.
You can buy a small box here.
How much is a small box?
It is only $2.
Do I need coins for the machine?
Yes, you need 4 quarters.
Where can I get some quarters?
There is a change machine near the door.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
Do you want to wash with hot water?
No, I prefer cold water for these.
Cold water is better for colors.
How long does the wash take?
It takes about 30 minutes.
That is fast. What should I do now?
You can wait on those chairs.
Is there a TV in this room?
Yes, but it is not working today.
That is okay. I have a book.
Reading is a good way to wait.
Do you come here every week?
Yes, I come every Sunday morning.
It is very quiet today.
Yes, it is usually very busy.
My machine is finished now.
Great! Now you need the dryer.
Which dryer is the best?
The large ones are very fast.
How many minutes for the dryer?
I recommend 40 minutes.
Does it get very hot?
Yes, be careful with your clothes.
Thank you for the tip, Lisa.
You're welcome. Do you have a bag?
Yes, I have a big plastic bag.
Good. Don't forget your socks.
Oh, one sock is still inside.
I always lose my socks here.
Me too. It is very annoying.
Well, have a good day, Mark.
Thank you. Enjoy your Sunday.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Welcome to the cinema.
Hi, I want to see a movie.
What movie do you want to see?
I want to see the new action film.
We have a screening at 5 o'clock.
That is perfect for me.
How many tickets do you need?
I need 2 tickets, please.
Is the other ticket for a child?
No, it is for my friend.
Okay, that will be $20.
Do you have a student discount?
Yes, we have a small discount.
Here is my student ID.
Thank you. Your total is $16.
Can I choose my seats?
Yes, you can choose on this screen.
I like to sit in the middle.
Row H is very good for that.
I will take seats 5 and 6.
Here are your tickets, Mark.
Which theater is the movie in?
It is in theater number 4.
Where is theater number 4 located?
It is down the hall on the right.
Thank you. Do you sell popcorn?
Yes, we have butter and salt popcorn.
I want a large bucket of popcorn.
Do you want a drink with that?
Yes, a medium soda, please.
We have a combo for $10.
That is a good deal. I will take it.
Do you want ice in your soda?
Yes, please. Lots of ice. Do you have any candy, too?
We have chocolate and gummy bears.
I will take the chocolate.
Here is your popcorn and your drink.
It looks like a lot of food.
It is a long movie. 2 hours.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, it is a very long story.
Is the movie very loud?
Yes, the sound system is very powerful.
I like loud action movies.
Enjoy the show, Mark.
Thank you for your help, Lisa.
You are welcome. Have fun.
What time does the movie end?
It ends at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. I have dinner at 8.
Have a great evening.
Goodbye, Lisa.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.